Hi, welcome back to Vamerchel Digital Creations. And in this video, I will show you what's inside our weekly free template for this week, and that is the Sari Sari Store Tarpaulin. Let's start. So sa mga nakapag-avail ng ating free template for our followers, subscribers, and group members, ito yung magiging laman ng free template ninyo. This is the Sari Sari Store Tarpaulin. So inside this, we have several designs. We have here 6 layouts for tarpaulins and then 6 layout din para sa signages. Okay, so sa mga sari-sari store signages. So I will teach you how to print this design into a tarp papel. Kasi makikita nyo dito sa ating sizing, ang size ng ating design is uh, 3 feet by 4 feet size. So, napakalaki niya. And then, this is a good start para na din matuto kayo na mag-print into tar papel. So, here's what I'm doing when I'm printing a tar papel. All you have to do is to download this file. Download. Palitan nyo lang dito. So, sa mga naka Canva Pro dyan, pwede nyong i-download siya as PDF print and then adjust nyo siya sa CMYK para maganda yung coloring. And then, piliin nyo lang kung ano yung design, page number ng design na ipiprint natin, and then download. So, ano bang kagandahan ng tar papel? So, tar papel, number one is napakamura niya and kayang-kaya nyo lang siyang gawin sa bahay nyo if you have your own printer. Okay, pwede nyo din 'tong i-offer sa inyong mga customer. Okay, so let's just wait for the file to finish downloading and then once na ma-download, i-open nyo na yung file. So I really prefer when I'm printing a tar papel, I really prefer to use the Adobe Acrobat PDF. Okay? Kasi meron na siyang mga default settings for printing. Okay. So, once na na-download na natin siya, ipiprint lang natin 'to and then gagawa tayo ng adjustment dito bago mag-print. So, ang ginagawa ko is to click the poster here. Okay. So, paano ba yung poster guide dito? So, makikita nyo kanina dito sa ating design that yung resize natin when nakalagay dito is 48 by 36 inches. So, ang ginagawa ko lang dito is chine-check ko din yung values dito. Okay? So, dito 49 by 46 inches. So, masyado pa siyang malaki. And then, so, a-adjust ko siya into, let's say, 90%. Okay? So, 90%, malapit na siya. 49 by 35 inches. Paano mo ba malalaman kung ilang pages na ng papel yung consume ng ating tarp papel? Okay, so makikita nyo dito na meron tayong line breaks. So, bawat line breaks dyan, it shows na isang bond paper yung gagamitin. Okay, so dito sa portrait size. And then, dito sa properties, makikita nyo, naka-default setting siya as A4. So, A4 yung gagamitin kong size sa pag-print ng tar papel. So, bibilangan natin siya. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we have 18. So, yung tar papel natin, yung malapit sa desired nating size na 36 by 48 inches na tar papel, magko-consume tayo ng 18 pieces ng tar papel. So, kung gusto nyong mas malaki pa, pwede nyo siyang ibalik sa 100%. Okay? So, mas malaki siya, 49, fifth, almost 50 by 47 inches. So, since prefer ko lang yung 3 feet by 4 feet, so ibabalik ko siya sa 90% kasi ito yung usual size ng ah, type papel na ginagamit ko dito sa aking shop. So, 49 by 36 inches, ay 35 inches. So, pwede na 'tong gamitin. Magiging na 'tong tarp papel na malapit sa 3 feet by 4 feet. So, this is around 18 pieces of bond paper na A4 sizes. So, kapag pinalitan nyo 'to, magiging na 'tong short size, magkakaroon siya ng adjustment. So, mas lalaki siya, mas lalapad siya, and mas madami yung bond paper na mako-consume. Kaya balik na lang ako dito sa A4 size. Okay. So, that's it. I will be printing this one and I will show you the output later sa aming post. So, again, napakadali lang mag-print ng tar papel. Okay? So, just a recap while we are waiting for our printed tar papel. Let's go back again. So, paano siya gawing tar papel? All you have to do is to open the design. After nyo mag-edit, click here sa share and then download as PDF print and CMYK. So, kung hindi naman kayo Canva Pro user, pwede nyo pa rin gamitin yung normal RGB. So, magkakaroon lang siya ng very slight difference sa color. And then, just download. Okay? So, that's it. That's the process in creating and printing our tar papel. So sa lahat ng nakapag-avail ng ating free template, feel free to always go back to this video para magkaroon kayo ng idea or ma-refresh yung idea nyo paano gumamit at mag-print ng ating design into tar papel. Thank you so much for watching. See you on our next video. Bye!